Alright everyone, here she is again, but this evening she's going off to get a subframe. This rear fitment is just absolutely awful. The car does not drive that good, but finally after over a year of this thing being totaled out from a crash, it is being fixed. So I'm going to take you guys along. We're going to get down to the shop and get started on this thing tonight, hopefully, and document the process of an E39 subframe replacement, along with throwing some upgraded bushings and some other goodies into this thing. So stay tuned. On the road, last drive with the caddy wampus wheel. See, if I hold it straight, the car goes left. You'll see a little bit right here. On a left turn, the car is going left. I'm holding the wheel straight. If I go wheel to the right, it'll actually go straight. So this is finally getting fixed. I'm very excited. Alright guys, made it to Dream Auto here in Columbus. New shop in town, good rates, good mechanic, super flexible. Get this thing inside in the bay and check it out. Just got a new vacuum line for the brake booster because it was crispy, and as you guys saw in that clip, it was a mess. So hopefully this fixes my vacuum leak and this thing will be running way better and have a smoother idle and everything. So guess we'll find out after it is fired back up. Fan clutch is off. This thing is shot. We're replacing this. Brand new one right here, baby. Really struggling to get these bushings out. As you can see, tried cutting them, tried airing them, tried heating them, tried drilling them, tried compressing them. So, back to the drawing board on this one. Alright, brand new bushings. Differential bushings, ECS, polyurethane. Boys. We are back. Subframe is complete. Fitment is back. Featuring my buddy's new X3M comp. Pretty fucking sweet. But subframe is back in this thing. All back on the ground, all back together. Alright boys. Just whipped it around the block. Lighting her up with the Infinity. Just took it around the block. Sorry I didn't get it on video. The video would have been so bad from this camera, so just figured I'd give you guys a rundown how this thing basically drives. Drives absolutely amazing. Handling is back, that is for sure. Honestly forgot how this car drove. Shifts feel great. We do have one pretty big issue, and that is that the drive shaft carrier bearing has completely gone, and this drive shaft just goes inside the car, and it rattles, and it's just gonna get worse and worse and eventually start ripping holes in the floor. So I can't drive the car that much right now, but luckily the part's only 40 bucks and we'll get that ordered and get that thrown on, as well as swap over some new control arms I got that were also pretty cheap. Then we'll get the alignment done and she will be back. So stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoy this journey of the E39 subframe replacement. This car is just absolutely beautiful and can't wait for many more adventures to come with it. It does need a wash though. It is dirty. You can see that dust everywhere on it, but it's alright though. She deserves it after putting up with all the hell we ran her through the last week. So, peace out.